Indian troops, in their unabated acts of state terrorism, martyred 15 Kashmiris during the last month of November in occupied Kashmir, according to the data released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today. Of those killed, 5 were martyred in fake encounters and in custody. The killing rendered 3 women widowed and 17 children orphaned. Complete shutdown is being observed in occupied Kashmir today against the posting of blasphemous video about the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam by an Indian student studying in an institute in Srinagar. According to Kashmir Media Service, call for the shutdown has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference and supported by United Jihad Council. The shutdown is also aimed at protesting against the illegal arrest and confiscation of properties of the people. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has urged the international community to play its role for immediate release of the Kashmiri detainees languishing in different jails of India and occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman in a statement in Srinagar said thousands of Kashmiris have been lodged in different jails of India and occupied Kashmir on the false charges, expressing grave concern over the continued Indian state terrorism and killings in occupied Kashmir. He said the Indian Army, paramilitary and police personnel are violating human rights and international law with impunity. Bharatiya Janata Party regime in occupied Kashmir has put senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Mirwais Umar Farooq, under house arrest at his residence for the 8th consecutive week. According to Kashmir Media Service, Anjuman Awqaf of the Jamia Masjid, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said the police authorities today again closed the gates of the mosque and are not allowing the people to enter the mosque for Jummah prayers. President of Jammu and Kashmir National Conference, Farooq Abdullah, has reiterated the party's commitment to carry on the battle for the restoration of the Kashmir's identity and rights. According to Kashmir Media Service, Farooq Abdullah, addressing the party workers in Srinagar, said Jammu and Kashmir does not deserve pettiness, but it needs wisdom and statesmanship. Illegally detained chairman of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Musarrat Alam Butt, has said that any kind of derogatory remarks against the Prophet of Islam, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, cannot be tolerated by the Muslims of the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, Musarrat Alam Butt, on his message from the notorious Tihar jail in New Delhi, said that a Hindu student studying at the National Institute of Technology, Srinagar, posted a blasphemous video about the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that hurt the sentiments of the entire Muslim Ummah. Special Assistant to the Prime Minister on Human Rights and Women Empowerment, Mishal Hussain Malik, has apprised the British parliamentarians on the situation in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mishal Hussain Malik was addressing a meeting of the British parliamentarians at a virtual platform from London.